Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss something very relatable question of most of us, that, why am I hard to be loved? I can relate that how difficult it is to feel like you're not being loved or accepted by others. It's important to remember that there are many different factors that can contribute to this feeling, and it's not necessarily a reflection of your worth as a person. One possible reason why we may feel hard to be loved is if we have experienced rejection or abandonment in the past. This can lead to feelings of insecurity and a fear of being hurt again, which can make it challenging to open up to others and form meaningful connections. Another possibility is that we may have certain beliefs or patterns of behavior that are making it difficult for us to connect with others. For example, if we tend to be overly critical of ourselves or have a negative self-image, this can make it hard for others to see our positive qualities and appreciate us for who we are. Alternatively, we may be having behaviors or actions that push people away without realizing it. For example, if we struggle with communication or have difficulty expressing our emotions, this can make it hard for others to understand us and connect with us on a deeper level. Whatever the reason, it's important to remember that we all are not alone in feeling this way. Many people struggle with similar issues, and there are ways to work through them and improve your relationships with others. I have been through the same path and ended up exploring my past experiences, beliefs, and behaviors to gain a better understanding of what may be driving these feelings for me, and personally, I would suggest you to work on developing strategies and skills to help yourself in improving your relationships and build more meaningful connections with others. This might involve working on communication skills, building self-esteem, or exploring new ways to connect with others. Remember, it's never too late to improve your relationships and feel more connected to others. With each other's support and guidance, we all can learn to overcome any obstacles that may be standing in our way and build the meaningful connections we deserve. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.